In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix Valorant secure boot and TPM 2.0 error on an Aorus device. So let's get started. Now we're gonna look at the steps to do this. So let's get started with the first step, which is access BIOS setup. So access BIOS setup. So turn off your Aorus device and then press the designated key to enter the BIOS setup during the boot process. Now this key is usually displayed on the screen during startup, and it is often F2, F10, or possibly the delete key. The second step is to locate secure boot and TPM settings. Locate secure boot and TPM settings. So navigate through the BIOS menus to find the sections related to Secure Boot and Trusted Platform module. The exact locations may vary depending on your BIOS version. The next one is to enable the Secure Boot. Enable Secure Boot. Now find the Secure Boot option and enable it. You might need to select a specific boot mode like UEFI Secure Boot. Well, the next step is to obviously enable TPM 2.0. Enable TPM 2.0. So locate the TPM 2.0 option and enable it. Now this might require activating the TPM device within your BIOS settings. Lastly, we have save changes and reboot. Save changes and reboot. So, after enabling both Secure Boot and TPM 2.0, save your changes and exit the BIOS setup, and your device will automatically reboot. So, alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.